I just discovered the AI tool that's ending my 3 a.m. rewrite sessions and embarrassing grammar mistakes forever. Listen, I used to spend hours rewriting the same email 12 different ways because I was terrified of sounding unprofessional. Those late night grammar panics, the constant second guessing, it was destroying my productivity. Then I found Pismo, and everything changed. This AI assistant doesn't just fix my typos. It proofreads, translates, and even adjusts my tone automatically. Whether I'm writing in Slack, Outlook, or Google Docs, Pismo works seamlessly across every platform. Yesterday, I sent a proposal to a client in Germany, and Pismo translated it perfectly while maintaining my professional tone. No more copying and pasting between apps. No more staying up until 3 a.m. perfecting one paragraph. My international clients are impressed. My communication is clearer, and I actually get sleep now. If you're tired of grammar anxiety holding you back, you need to try Pismo today.